Thank you for visiting us today. Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Toyota Sienna LE. This four-door van has a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power windows, universal remote, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call for an appointment today.